This is a new update from WhatsApp. I want to show you how it works. So it's on your WhatsApp status. Open your WhatsApp, go to update, go to your status. You can now download your WhatsApp status. Like, you don't need a third-party app. So I'm just going to use someone's status to show you example. Now this is a status by my friend. So I'm going to click on the reshare button. Now when you reshare someone's status, before now you just have to reshare and send. You cannot save the status, but now you can choose to save the status without even resharing it. So click on the save button. This is a video of 46 seconds, so you can see it's saving. Once it's saved, I can just click on the back button to just go back, so you can see save to gallery. So if I click on this back button, I click on discard, I will not upload it again. So if I go another to another status, click on reshare. This particular one is an image, so you can just download it to your phone. Then I'll go to another status. This one is bags and bags. So the one that I like, I'll just click on the reshare button, and you can just click on download and download it, and it is saved to your gallery. So you don't need third-party app to do this. But if the person does not own the reshare button, there's nothing you can do about it. So let me do as if I want to upload status to show you that all these are now in my gallery. So you can see this picture, you can see the bag also, and you can also see the video. So you can share it from your gallery anytime you choose to do so. So now I want to show you how you save your own status. Maybe you use this picture to create a song. Let's just say I added a song. You know how to add a song to add music to your WhatsApp status. If you don't know, I'm going to link a video to show you how to do that in the description. So I'm just going to add this song from Ebuka Songs to this image. So once I add the song, you can just choose if you want any of these to show. Click on done once you're done, and click on the send button to upload it to your WhatsApp status. So once it's uploaded, I'll go to view my WhatsApp status, and you see these three dots that is on these other ones. This one is still sending, but once it sends, you can see the three dots. Even before it sends, click on it, click on save, and you'll be able to save the image with the song that you added to it. So this is how to do this one. But the other one is just a new update by WhatsApp. If you have not seen it on your phone, do it to update your WhatsApp. I'm going to link on this video my WhatsApp playlist, where you can get a lot of videos that will teach you how to use your WhatsApp like a pro. Don't miss out on any of these videos, so you can see all the things that you have downloaded in the course of this tutorial. So if this video makes sense to you, why don't you share this video with someone that you know may need this knowledge for one thing or the other. Click on the subscribe button, like, share. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.